The 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon is a luxury off-road SUV that combines rugged off-road capability with modern comforts and technology. It features a fresh design and a variety of vibrant colors, including Fathom Blue and Hydro Blue. The model ensures authentic Jeep design traits while providing impressive dynamics on and off the road, making it suitable for adventure enthusiasts. Make sure to double-check specific features and availability as they can vary.
I think it's the same as the other car. It's much more about hitting it right in front of him. You lose a gear?